Well, just in time for the holiday, we are looking at mainly quiet conditions, especially when it comes to traveling either late tonight or tomorrow morning. That dry weather holds on for a little while longer, then looking at some drizzly showers around the corner. Thankfully, we only may see one round of rain that will really impact our holiday plans, so more on that in just a second. Overall, today we had the mid-50s. We are cooling off some, but not down to those frigid levels that we had last week, just getting a little closer to average, so some 40s around the corner for us. If you know anybody flying out tonight or flying into spots like O'Hare, Rockford, Midway, you are looking at pretty quiet conditions across the board when it comes to travel. Do take note, though, showers and storms possible near Dallas and into St. Louis tonight could slow things down. Same for some snow heading towards Denver. So as you look at the travel impacts, again, if you know anybody kind of traveling in these directions or flying in from those directions, you can see how we do have possibly some travel impacts the later we go into this evening and tonight. But thankfully, we are looking at pretty quiet conditions for us. The rest of this evening looking dry and cool. Then tomorrow, drizzly at times. I still think this is going to be, I guess, on the green side of things. Not quite use caution yet, but keep in mind roads may be a little wet at times over the course of tomorrow itself. So leading up to that point, 34 for tonight as the cloud cover slowly builds in. We got a quiet night ahead. And then for tomorrow, 51 in the forecast. May still sneak up to those mild levels in the afternoon under mainly cloudy sky, and we do have some drizzly conditions at times. So let's track that out on Future Track. Here we are a little closer to sunrise, looking at a dry start to the day. So if you're up early, maybe getting that turkey trot in or going to the grocery store for the last time, you're looking at dry conditions early. Then I think right at about 9 to 10 o'clock, that's when we do have some light rainfall finally moving through our area. So on and off rain then for the rest of the day. As you can see here, not a washout, but not completely dry until we get to tomorrow evening. That's when the weather clears out in time for Friday. So throughout the course of the day, a little brisk to start, then mild in the afternoon. And keep in mind, on and off drizzle anytime between about 10 o'clock through about 6 o'clock tomorrow evening, and then dry after that. Rest of the holiday weekend has some sunshine for Friday. Saturday for now, we're taking rain out of the forecast for the afternoon, so that bodes well for Stroll-on Stay, but then showers could return Saturday night into Sunday morning. Beyond that, we go into the last days of November with some milder conditions in the 40s and looking fairly dry. We'll keep an eye on a chance for rain sometime by Tuesday night. In your most accurate 10-day forecast, the weather does look to be a little cooler as we head into December, some 30s, some 40s, but overall, we're easing into winter after getting that pretty harsh preview last week.
All right, thanks a lot, Alex.